Hello everyone, this is Carlos Touch of Class Painting, and this is my final product to the bedroom wall panel plastering. New baseboards, updated baseboards, all nice and cut, 45s, filled in, painted. Floor is all done, all the corners been filled in with wood filler. Give it a nice finish look. All the trims nicely painted. All the shelves put back up. Laminated floor, all the same pattern. And I want to thank you all again for watching my videos. If you like my videos, please hit like. You can follow me on my page. I do have about 56 great reviews from my actual work from customers. No negative reviews on any of my work. You can click on my photo tab. You'll see another tab that says see all. There you will find all my albums. There's over 8,000 pictures and 260 videos or more. Again, I want to thank you all for watching.